Solving non-right triangles, sine law. The sine law can be used to solve any type of triangle as long as you know one side and the angle opposite it, along with any other side or angle. In triangle ABC, the sine law states that the sine of A over A equals the sine of B over B is equal to the sine of C over C. So you can see why you would need to know one angle and a side opposite. That would give you one of these fractions. And then if you knew any other part, then you could solve that little equation. Example, in the triangle below, find angle B and side C. So do we fulfill that condition to use the sine law where we know a side and an angle opposite it? Well, let's see. Angle A, which is 24 degrees, we don't know the side opposite it, which would be BC. Angle C is 40 degrees. We don't know the side opposite that. That would be C. And 12, we don't know the angle opposite. So we really can't use the sine law yet. But since we know two angles in a triangle, we can find the third angle. So let's do that. First, find angle B. Angle B is equal to 180 minus whatever 24 and 64 add up to, and that would be what, 64. So that would give you that angle B equals 116 degrees. Now we can use the sine law. The sine of 40 over C is equal to the sine of 116 over 12. So now we have to solve this for C. And to do that, we can multiply both sides by 12c, and that'll eliminate all of our fractions. That's how we learned how to do it. So we end up with 12 sine of 40 equals c sine of 116. Divide both sides by sine of 116 gives you c equals 12 sine 40 divided by the sine of 116. And therefore C turns out to be 8.582, which is approximately 8.6. You should round it 1/10 more accurate than the data. So we found angle B, and we found side C.